winter is over, but wow, I've never seen this one before. And I wanted to get this for my summer holiday because I think it's the perfect beach bag. If you really just want a beach bag, I think you should go for the other one because it's like basically £500 versus £1,500. I think they are the size of a GM and they're super slouchy. Yeah, but this is really cute. No. Just no. I mean, yeah. It's so stunning. I really hope we're gonna find it. Maybe we need to tell Dina to hunt this down for us. Wow. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we're back in Harrods. It's been a while. Always love these escalators in the Egyptian hall. Got my little Bottega bag with me today, and I would say let's look at summer bags, but it is so ice cold still. It's absolutely ridiculous. Like, I need to warm up for a moment because it's been Quick look at Chanel, guys. They really don't have a lot at the moment that catches my attention. I don't know why. Usually whenever a new Chanel collection is coming out, I'm like super hyped. Look at this tree dress that's shorter at the front and longer at the back. This is so gorgeous. Look at this. This is super cute, and this bag too. Guys, look at this beautiful little bag from 24S. You can't really see it, it's iridescent. It's got this beautiful handle. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, I just had to show you the bag with my dress because I think it goes so well together. They got the same bag in this style with the pearl. It's so beautiful. So here you can see it more, like better, the effect. Stunning. Prada anyone, guys. I feel like so many fashion houses are currently designing bags in this shape. Seems to be popular, to be honest. I love this for summer. Gorgeous. And guys, look at this Prada bag. I mean, you get me with flowers. And how gorgeous. How gorgeous. Quick look at Seline, guys. Oh, gorgeous summer bag as well. I know winter is over, but wow, I've never seen this one before. Is this new? Even though summer collection is coming up. Such a beautiful bag. And again, they do exotics so well. Look at this beautiful lizard. So dreamy. Should we try this one on? Again, this is like a teddy bear as a bag. And it goes so well with my pink and red. So many people asked me in my last video where this dress is from. It's actually from Never Fully Dressed, in case you're interested. Oh god, is this gorgeous. Look at this. Should we check how much it costs? I don't know if they got the prices in here. They do. 2,500. That's actually not too bad. I'm always surprised how well priced Celine is, and it comes with this gorgeous chain, guys. Okay, look at these. This is the large Celine panier bag, and I wanted to get this for my summer holiday because I think it's the perfect beach bag. I wanted to get it in the smaller size. My SA is just checking if they have it in the smaller size, and guys, the price for this is unbeatable. This is a large tote bag. It's 520, and it's so gorgeous. This is palm leaves. And I always wanted the brown Celine leather with the contrast stitching. It's so beautiful. And then also I wanted to look at the backpack because we're gonna go hike again soon. And I actually sold my Chanel backpack to my friend. I don't know if you guys know it. So I'm looking for a new backpack. Oh, this is gorgeous, no? It's got fabric on the inside, so you don't need to worry about spilling anything or so. I think it's stunning, and the canvas, you don't need to worry about it scratching. So guys, I do not want to take the packaging off, so you know, I thought I'd give you an idea of how it would sit. I think it's a nice size for a backpack now. I think it is lovely. This is the larger size, and again, I can't believe that this bag is £520 and the smaller size is 490. I mean, you know. And look how beautiful and large it is, and it's made out of palm leaves. This is so cool. This is the classic brown. She doesn't have the small size, unfortunately, in the classic brown, but we have a blue one, so I can show you that one. So just in size comparison, it's quite a big difference, actually. I thought they're closer to each other in size, This is the small one. Maybe it doesn't look too much smaller, but in reality it is. Let me hold it on, then you get an idea. Yes, it's a lot smaller. But what a nice summer bag now. Is this a nice size? I was thinking about getting this and the brown. And guys, it comes with a shoulder strap actually as well. So you can wear it as a handheld bag or on your shoulder. And I had to show you this one with my pink dress because this is a different material. This bag costs a bit more. This is straw, not palm leaves. You can see it's woven a lot tighter. But it's beautiful, look at this. Oh, this is just a nice size as well, right? Imagine going to the beach like this. The natural leather Celine is still, yeah, grabbing my attention. The white canvas is stunning too, but this is so gorgeous, it would age so beautifully. And obviously you can get me with flowers and crochet, knit. And these are so cute as well. Guys, they have the small size down here. And again, this is the palm leaf bag, and this is the small size, and you can just wear it like this, but it comes with a shoulder strap. The large one you can only wear on your shoulder. Here you got the option. So cute. But I really like the leopard behind me as well. I think I have to show you the leopard too. And she's just shown me another one. So you can see even the size varies because they're all handmade. So this one, they all seem to have the bend at the back. So I would, if you get this bag, I mean it's super cheap, but I would look out for, you know, which one's made better. This one looks like it's made nicer, in my opinion. But I honestly love it that this is a natural material. What's happening? This one stole my heart. I was looking for a summer bag, but this is so cute. And it's got this gorgeous Celine brown leather strap as well with the contrast stitching. I don't know what it is about the contrast stitching, but I love it. It's so gorgeous and it's so simple. Imagine this during summer, such a nice little bag. And there it says Celine. What do we think? And guys, she's just showing me the new summer collection as well. Look at these raffia bags. They're super cool. And we got the alternative. Is this raffia as well?
As well.
Okay. Oh, it has a little pouch and the strap as well. Oh yeah, it's made a little bit nicer, tighter. Yeah. And what's the name of this one?
This one is beautiful. This is raffia.
Okay. This is the newer version. Yeah, perfect, thank you. Okay, so this is the newer version, and I mean we tried it on in the pink upstairs, and I think it's really nice. Like, let's be honest, it's nicer made. It comes with a pouch as well, but I think it's £1,000 more. And if you really just want a beach bag, I think you should go for the other one, because it's like basically £500 versus £1,500, you know, roughly. So this is stunning. One bag is nicer than the next. Which one is the perfect beach bag? I mean, this is like a really nice material as well. You can see how beautifully it's woven. I thought I'd come in for the palm leaf bag, but this one's super nice. This one's gorgeous. And it has this beautiful white handle. Which one do you prefer? Guys, it's so beautiful. They have the sardine. You guys know how long I've been wanting to get a sardine, like forever it feels. And now they're making them with a chain, with a strap, so you can either wear it like you would wear any sardine, just handheld, the strap on. So the strap is not detachable, and he was just so kind to show me this color as well. It's called Space, I think. Okay guys, the details. This is the sardine with the strap, and can you see this? They put a little hook on it so that you can catch your fish, your sardine. So gorgeous. I love it. I love the idea of a sardine with a strap. I think it's not a lot more expensive. I think £200 or £300 more if you get this version with the strap and the hook. Look how gorgeous it looks if you just, you know, let the strap hang down, because it's like an accessory to the bag. It's so stunning. Right, I actually like this red, even though red is not my color. It's a nice dark burgundy red. I really love the hook with the sardine. This is so cute. Is this better than the silver one that I wanted? Okay guys, let's have a quick look at what's new at Louis Vuitton. And Louis Vuitton, I mean, I've said it several times before, I really like the new style that they're going for in clothes as well as bags. I mean, look at this slouchy white Daphne, so gorgeous. Same as this one. Are we ready for some beautiful exotics? Look at this, ostrich, lizard, ostrich. Stunning. The colors are really nice. It's very spring-like, if you ask me. Oh, 2 colors, cute. And they have a secret room here. Oh, it's closed. I just wanted to say maybe the secret room is open again. I made it in. I made it in. So look at this. For a pink and purple lover like me, this is heaven. Again, 2 colors in a capucine, stunning. And these fleur bags, can't remember, fleur de Vent, I think that's what they're called. They only come in exotic leathers. Look at this, guys. They have a nano speedy there. Like, can you remember in the past when it was impossible to buy them? And look at these new little bucket bags. Guys, I had to show you this one because it is so teeny tiny. It reminds me of a vintage Louis Vuitton bucket bag. Now they're bringing the style back even tinier, so it's even cuter. And guys, look at this, the slouchy capucines. Wow, they are massive. I think they are the size of a GM, and they're super slouchy. Yeah, but this is really cute. That's from the new collection. I've never seen such an understated Louis Vuitton bag. So they are jumping on the quiet luxury train as well. If you don't want monogram, you're sick and tired of it, you could go for something like this. So yes, Louis Vuitton is definitely jumping on the quiet luxury train as well. I've never seen such a quiet luxury bag. I think the only thing that gives it away is the lock. But I think from the side, and if you have your arm over it, nobody knows. It's so stunning, and it's like Taurian leather, just like from the capucines. What do we think? Bucket bags are back in style, and look at this gorgeous piece. Wow. And this is a natural lizard as well. Natural lizard always steals my heart. Okay, I don't know what's going on at Fendi, but I can tell you these are not my colors. It's a bit wild, except for this. I make an exception because I love it. Many gorgeous bags at HERMES. Of course, mini Kelly and Kelly, stunning, special Kelly. And look at this, it's a 24-24 bag. I know that because Jessie loves it. Otherwise I wouldn't know the name of it. Again, the colors, those colors are not for me. Gucci, guys, no. Just no, I mean, no. I don't know what to say, no. Let's see what happens now that Alessandro Michele is moving to Valentino. You guys know I loved Alessandro Michele for Gucci. I have so many Alessandro Michele Gucci bags. Should we have a quick look at DIOR as well? Yes, maybe. So I really want to see. I've never been interested in Valentino. Let's see what happens now that he takes over Valentino. That will be, you know, I'm going to be super interested to see that. For me, Alessandro Michele has always been the Tim Burton of the fashion world. So let's hope it's going to be awesome. Very vintage inspired. Yeah, I mean, everything comes back. I always love the minis, super cute. And of course, you get me with these pink and lilac colors. Oh god, guys, I know we need to go and see Dina. I still haven't recovered, that's why I haven't visited her yet. But look at all these gorgeous bags that we haven't seen yet. Hi. This is so stunning. I mean, we should try, I think, this one on. And this lizard comes in this version as well. I've seen it online. She's checking if they have it. That would be so gorgeous. But so many new. I mean, this is a small size. My pink one is larger. These we have seen before. This is a new summer bag as well. Look at this gorgeous raffia material. Oh, hello. We should try this one on too. Stunning. That's new as well. That's from the summer collection. I'm sure Dina will talk us through all of these, but this is a little sneak peek. I honestly think this is the perfect alternative to a mini Kelly. It's got way more character if you ask me. And we know I love snakes, I love Bulgari, so obviously, but this is so stunning. Guys, I have to show you this. They don't have the mini Kelly version, that's how I call it, in this gorgeous style yet. It's on the website somewhere, but we can't find it here. So I don't know if it's still, do you think it's still coming out?
We will receive it soon.
Okay.
It's part of the new collection.
Okay,
We will have it
so you know it should still come out, so let's hope, let's keep our fingers crossed. But this is so cute as well, and in the light it's so stunning, guys. This is a smaller version.
It comes with a long strap as well.
Just like the other one. I always just wear them like this because it's cuter. I think it's a bit more sophisticated. Yeah, so this would be the bag. Basically this gorgeous mini Kelly Bulgari version in these colors. Imagine how pretty that would be. I think the bag is around 5,000. Yeah, exactly. So let's hold it. Let's show. Yeah, that would be so gorgeous. Yeah, it's so stunning. I really hope we're gonna find it. What do you think? This is gorgeous too. This is a golden ostrich. But I think the lizard is just one of a kind. Maybe we need to tell Dina to hunt this down for us. Wow. And I love the onyx eyes. It's onyx, right?
Yes,
yeah?
yes. We have the onyx setting on the Serpentine eyes. It's the same stone we use for our jewelry.
Yeah, so
it is a
gorgeous.
strong link with our jewelry heritage.
Yeah. Yeah, what do we think? So if you want something more edgy, guys, look at this. I love it. This is just leather with golden studs, and we got the same onyx eyes and the gold plated hardware. I don't know why. I think this is super cute as well, but I think nothing beats the golden lizard bag. Let me know what you think. This is stunning too, right? It's understated, but it's got something extra. Oh, guys, the FA at Bulgari was the nicest, and she was like, oh yeah, I'm your big fan, and so if you see this, hi. And yeah, super nice. And guys, this is my heaven. Whenever I walk past the Judith Leiber bags, I mean, fries, anyone? I just love that section so much. This is like my New York gossip girl dream, basically. Wow, guys, look at beautiful London. I just always have to show you these moments. It just rained, but here we are with sunshine again. Yeah, and I hope you enjoyed this little vlog. I was hoping to see a couple more summer bags. I mean, there were some that I really liked, but I couldn't tell you which ones were my favorites. There was, I think, no single bag where I was like, okay, my heart is melting. Look at these beautiful flowers everywhere. So yeah, maybe still on the hunt for the perfect summer bag. But yeah, guys, if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease. Yes, we do. And I see you again soon. I'm gonna enjoy beautiful London now. Bye!